Hi beautiful people, welcome back to our channel. So in this week's video we're going to try another hairstyle. I'm going to try on this U-part wig. Now this wig is also sold on our website. This particular one is a 10-inch and the hair is very soft. So I'm going to begin by washing it out and then I'll go ahead and style it. Okay, so at this point I'm going to go ahead and define my curls. I'm going to use Strictly Curls, Marc Anthony. This is the curl defining lotion, and I will use the Curly Top, still by Marc Anthony. They really work out so well for me. And I will add a little bit of coconut curling cream from Cantu.
One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take
So beautiful. Look at those curls.
it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah.
The hair is very soft and it just goes through. The comb just goes through, which is really good. And I think the curling lotion that I'm using is also just adding a beautiful look to the curls.
Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even want?
Okay, so this is our wig. I'm going to go ahead and put it on. I left out some hair that I'm going to use to blend with the wig.
Worry that I'm gonna love somebody else. Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah.
So I'll take out this hair and then I'll blend it. So I'm going to blend out the hair with the wig like this. This is my hair.
Step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Time's about run out to use those big words, yeah. I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, dig deep, it's time to make a move on my heart. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels?
I love how it has blended through.
I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let
I love how the curls have turned out. It's so beautiful. I love the stretch length. This wig is in 10 inches.
One step forward, two steps
What do you think?
backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love, me?
So check out this wig. We are selling it on our website, zillions.com, and we have a promotion going on, free shipping on certain orders.
What's it gonna take for you to show feet?
So those who are new, thank you so much for coming by to our channel. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Those who are returning, thank you so much for the support. This is the end of this week's video. I hope you loved it. I will see you all in our next video. Cheers.